Yo, what's going on YouTube? This is Technical Side in here. So today I'm gonna show you how to upgrade your Windows from home to Pro the easy way. If you're trying to use BitLocker to encrypt your hard drive, or if you need remote desktop to access your PC from anywhere, you will probably realized those features are locked on the home version. So no more features not available message. Let's get right into the tutorial. So first, let's open menu, go to settings, go to system, right to scroll down, let's go to activation. This I will show you right now as I'm running a Windows 11 home. So I will upgrade this to Windows 11 Pro. So we will need a Windows key. I will leave it in the description. This is the key we use to do the operation. Right, let's back to Windows settings. Also go to system again, back to activation. Select this upgrade your edition of Windows. Check on change product key. Now pass before doing all of this, you must have to disable your internet connection before you start to do anything. Your PC must be offline. So just click start. Preparing for upgrade. Let's be type 1 of your PC. Just leave it like that. Enter is restart by itself. So my computer has restarted after reaching 100%. So I will connect to Wi-Fi. So let's check if the Windows switched to Pro or not. Go to System, down to Activation. Alright, now we have Windows 11 Pro. So that's it, guys. So we have Windows changed to from Home to Pro. So now you'll have to activate your Windows. If you don't know how, you can see a video I made on how to activate your Windows using command prompt. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoy it. Don't forget to like, subscribe for videos and tutorials like this. See you later. Bye bye.